The customer came in with this issue. BIInitializeLibrary failed. CPU fan failure. We started the repair by removing the BIOS chip from the motherboard. Here is the chip. You can see this small dot. This marks pin 1, and it tells us how to correctly connect it to the programmer. Next, on the programmer, we identify the correct position and line the chip properly before soldering. After soldering the chip onto the programmer, we connect it to the computer. Then, we load the correct BIOS file that we downloaded and begin writing the firmware to the chip. During the process, we make sure to preserve important data like the serial number and Windows activation. Once the flashing is complete, we remove the chip from the programmer, let it cool down, and solder it back onto the motherboard. After everything is ready, we power on the computer. And as you can see, the system boots successfully. Windows loads properly, and we verify that activation is still valid. The computer is now fully working again and ready to be returned to the customer.